Hi, my name is Landon Backer, and we are doing Project 3 for my group. Now, I was chosen to do the first section of this, so this line 15 right here is going to set up a new playlist, and as you can see, I added a couple comments along the way. That way I don't get tangled up in what I'm saying. So this line here is going to actually set up the playlist, and the playlist is going to be where we store the music. It's also going to be in the list box. The line 19 here is going to actually initialize the playlist. That way it can be used and pulled from later on. These are all outside the main methods. That way they're public and can be used in every method that we use. So this open file dialog is going to be executed whenever you click the open tool strip, which is going to be as soon as you click file and then open. That's when that's going to execute. And that's going to let you be able to choose one of the files that you want selected. Multi-select, this od.multi-select here, setting that to true is going to allow us to be able to multi-select. It's going to be able to select multiple items at one time in order to add them to the playlist. This OD filter is going to add a little filter in the Windows Open Dialog option that's only going to allow you to search for this. I mean, obviously you can change it, and it's got an option here for all files. I'll show this more whenever I show an example on the program. So this if statement here, that's going to make sure that the file that you open is okay to open, and make sure that it actually opened before it starts executing into this stuff, because if it's not able to open, then it's not going to waste its capacity executing these files, and it's going to cause a crash. So this if statement here, the listbox.items.count equals 0 or is greater than 0, that is going to clear out any of the items here. So it's also going to clear the playlist. That way you can refresh your playlist as soon as a new one is selected. And this one here is going to add files to the program. That's line 36. Line 37 is going to actually create the new media into the program itself. And then playlist.append item media is going to add the items into the playlist. And the playlist is just going to be the songs that we select that's going to be added into the list box. So then 42 and 43, that's actually going to be executed once the if statements are completely finished and everything has gone through. That's going to select the playlist. The program will select the playlist that we've just created, or that the user has just created, and then this line here, line 43, is going to actually play the playlist. So I'll go ahead and start this. So as you can see here, we've got the Windows Media Player. Nothing is in here right now. When we click File, Open, that's going to allow us to select a playlist. We don't have any playlists here selected or that have been created. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually add songs. So if we go to Music, Sample Music, we've got a couple sample MP3s here. Down here, you can see that the two options we have are all files and MP3, WAV, MP4, MOV, etc., which is the ones that we selected in the OD filter. We're going to leave that on the filtered ones. So we can go ahead and add this, and I'll go ahead and add 2. That way we can show that we have multi-select enabled. So we control click these, hit open. They do automatically start playing, and both of those are added. So in order to remove, all you have to do is click the remove button. So then if we if we have an item that does not, or that won't play, it will add it into the list. It just will not play the item because it's not an MP3 and it can't play it. It's not media. So I think that about wraps up my section. Once again, my name is Landon Backer, and thank you for watching.